Hello, Rock and Reds, and on the 24th of January at noon until 1 p.m., we're going to have a class here in the training center and also on Zoom, and it's entitled How to Best Use Scripts. So we're going to be using Bold 2.0, and we're going to be using the listing presentation objections. And there's 5 main objections. The first one is, I'm going to work with another agent. The second one is, I'm going to work with XYZ company because I've never heard of your company. The third one is, the other agent stated they would sell it for less commission. Oh, here's a big one. And number 4 is we want to think it over. And number 5 is, another agent said he could get me more money. So what we're going to do is speak about some rules about scripting and also some ahas about how important they are for success in our business. So we'll focus on 1 or 2 of those scripts. We'll have some live role plays. We'll get out of our comfort zones and we'll get some scripting done. Okay, so it's January 24th at noon until 1, how to best use scripts. Any questions? You can email me, jasonbell@kw.com. Happy New Year, everyone.